Hi guys, welcome back. I had to start the video without introduction because I had to drill out drive shaft ends for the front, and I'll show you the front, I'll show you how it moves, and then I will stop the video, make another one with the drive shafts fully complete. Probably an outside driving video, because it's taking longer and more tedious than I thought, because I have to drill it out with a slightly larger drill bit and use these itty bitty grub screws. And I just dropped it. Good thing. I've cleaned off my workbench. But yeah, teeny. Barely see it on the camera. I'm just gonna drop them on my shirt then. Trying not to lose these. Yeah, they're very small, but they work very well. I've seen videos on these. I bet you looked it up. I bet that's why you're here. Because your plastic drive shafts are just snapping or getting so worn down because of the bigger motor you put in it. I only know that because I put a bigger motor in mine, a 180, and then I just stripped my drive shaft down to like nothing. So good thing I had a backup plastic one, because I ordered another transmission for this with metal gears, which I believe was only a one-time offer for on a eBay seller or something like that. And then I installed the plastic drive shaft back on when I got the new transmission. Used the old transmission gear things, little plastic drive shaft things, and voila. But I had to get these metal drive shafts, because that was only a temporary fix. And now that it has more torque than normal, it can really, well, pull its own weight. I'm trying to get this bushing back in. Come on. Yeah, it's kind of a pain. Try to get that bushing in. There we go. It's small. I use a little edge of my knife and I cut foam with. Hopefully be able to wedge it back in. That's so teeny. There it goes. There. Toss back in. Hopefully slide that in a little more. Use this last little the drive shaft is about to be installed. Sorry guys, it's taking so long. This is tedious. Slowly but surely we're getting it in there. There we go. Well, that one's in. So that's good. Well, that's in. See how that works very well. And this moves back and forth for the suspension travel if it was longer. So that is that one. And the reason our tires are off is because I changed tires and I haven't put the new ones on yet. Yeah, that grips very well. No slippage. So I highly recommend these. And if you don't know, they're on eBay for about $10. They come in a little package of 2 of these. Came in the mail. Took about 2 weeks. So it's not that bad, but the original ones I got were supposed to be black, but then that guy canceled on me, so I had to get new ones. It's been a long story. So that's drive shafts. Highly recommend them. Like, super recommend. They'll last a lot longer. They actually look better too than these jank plastic ones. This is the one I had to modify to fix the back one. So yeah, highly recommend it. See you guys next time. The next time you'll see this is in a video of it driving out and about with the new drive shafts and the softer tires. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.